Hey guys, Plant-Based Gabriel here, and today I'm going to be making a super easy Instant Pot Sage and Pea Polenta. Now all we're going to need for this recipe is 1 cup of a dry polenta mix. Now I'm using white corn for this one. You can use yellow, either will work great. I'm also going to be using a dry spice mix, which it consists of 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of a dry rubbed sage. And then we also are going to be using 2 cups of frozen peas. Now you do not have to use the peas. If you completely omit the peas, this will still taste delicious. We just love putting the peas in there and call it our Sage and Pea Polenta. So I'm going to bring you guys in here and we're going to get this started. Alright guys, really simple on this one. We're just going to add in all of our ingredients. Now I did not mention, I'm also using 4 cups of water. I've got 4 cups of water already in my Instant Pot. Add in all my ingredients. Alright, and then I like to go in and give it a good stir. Make sure it's all mixed well. Alright. Now all we're going to do is set this for 20 minutes on the pressure cook setting. And we're going to let this naturally release. So we will be back when that is done. Alright, our polenta has been cooking. It naturally released. It took around 30 minutes to naturally release, so like 50 minutes altogether. We're going to open it up. Now what you're going to want to do is make sure you get a good stir, because you know, one of the keys with a good polenta when you're doing it on the stove is continually stirring it. So I'll take stirring it for 20 seconds over stirring it constantly for 40 minutes any day. So we're gonna get that stirred up nicely. It looks and smells fantastic. I'm gonna finish stirring this up and then I'm gonna get a bowl of it, clean the kitchen up a little bit, and I'll see you in a second. All right, I got the kitchen tidied up. It smells fantastic. We love the smell and taste of sage in our kitchen, and if you do, I think you'll really like this recipe. Now, I will say that like all my recipes, I didn't add in any salt to this recipe, so I always like to add salt to taste on the top of my food. So, you know, a little bit of sea salt on top of this will really help bring out those flavors. You can also leave the salt out if you feel like you want to. Either way, it's gonna be delicious. I'm gonna give this a try. It turned out really creamy, and we love the peas in there as well. It is fantastic. Now this is a great side dish if you're having a big dinner. This also goes great as a meal. Me and Erica will just throw it in the Instant Pot, and we love our polenta. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do give it a try, let me know how it goes down in the comment section below or on Facebook at The Plant-Based Gabriel. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did, hit the like button. If you want to see more plant-based videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button and then hit that little bell to make sure you get notified when I post new videos. I'm Plant-Based Gabriel with my Pea and Sage Polenta, and thank you for watching.